Alright, what's up, guys? Yeah, nice little old school Corvette. We're same day. It is 1:49. Drove out here to this car rally, auto rally, and it's already looking real good. That's our black truck parked over there, so we got some good parking. Thank goodness, man. Now check this out right here. V8 right here. Man, simple gauges. Oh, check this out right here. The first F1. Dude, these Camaros too. Honestly, this scene right here just looks like out of Fast and Furious almost. Could be. Got the Firebird. Looking real nice. Honestly, I'm not sure what car this is. Has the engine right there though. Check that out. What is this? A Delano Pantera Delomast. I'm sorry, I'm not too familiar with this car, but the Pantera thing does sound fancy and like it's important. So you guys can school me in the comments. Let me know. I love learning about this stuff, man. It's so cool. Now check this guy out right here. SLS AMG. Carmel by the Sea, guys. Take it out for a test drive. Oh man. Now this right here. It's funny, I just saw the movie, the Need for Speed movie. It's pretty funny. Caballero. Check this out right here. Who needs a truck anymore? Got the little Volkswagen. This is clean right here too. Also, sorry the video's a little bit more shaky this time around. Oh, man, I didn't charge anything coming here. And pretty much, yeah, even my camera's dead, but I brought it just in case. Gives me a little bit of life. I'll take a nice picture of something. Got a Jaguar here and another Corvette. Man, I swear I've seen like all types of Corvettes today. Got a nice little truck here. It's like from Twilight, this one. Nice. Old school Mustang. What is this guy right here? I love these little eyelids it has on the front of it. TR250. Triumph. Look at that. That's awesome. It's a clean Camaro too. I mean, yeah, I'm tripping. For a second, I thought it was something else. Ooh. It's all about family or what? Check this out. Ooh, double? Am I seeing double or what? The Corvette. Also, I missed a Porsche back here. Let's take a quick look. Excuse me, bro. Honestly, I just came from a bunch of Porsches, so not hating on this, but man, this guy should have been somewhere else. Moving on, we got a Mercedes over here. I love this wrap. Looks so clean. Electrified turbo. Worship Kami. That's cool. I love these little spoiler wings that just move up and down. It's coming with a lot of like European cars nowadays, which is pretty sick. It's like you just want to switch up the look of your car, you could do it probably by just pressing a button. This car is pretty sick. In memory of Matt Gomez, shout out. Or RIP. Yeah, I should probably stop talking. TRD, I think this is another Triumph car right here. That's awesome. Got the Mercedes. Dude, those wheels. They look like propellers. Check that out. That's awesome. Look at this right here. Old school. Nice. Look at this little, what do you call this? I don't even know what you call that. Oh, they got one in the back too. It's supposed to be a flamingo. Nice. It's pretty cool. It looks comfortable in there. Okay, we got a SUV. Another Corvette. Looking real nice.
Bring your cleats.
Whoa. This looks like it came off of like a steampunk era or something. Steam powered right here. That's pretty cool. 1958 Corvette. It's awesome, and I love the matching interior too. With the Stanley though? Crazy. Got another Mustang. Double Mustang, one on each side. Okay, we got the old school, new school. Check this out. Please don't touch the jacket. No touchy. I guess you never brought any car here, which is pretty cool. Let's check this guy out. BMP design. Check out those wheels. I gotta say, I love when the hood goes forward. Love that. The race flag sticker on the back. That's awesome. M3. I gotta say, my favorite are the 1999 ones. Oh, we got another one. Or am I tripping? Yeah, there's two here. That's awesome. This one with the window down. See a little bit inside. That looks cool. Bro has a speaker in there. You already know. Gotta get those tunes on. Okay, the BMW. Man, these fronts, bro. There's nothing like old school cars. Volvo. Single owner, huh? Oh my goodness. Is that a... Oh no, that's not a Datsun. I thought that was a Datsun over here. Alfa Romeo. That's cool.
That was a good system.
That's awesome. Oh, this guy has a... We didn't really look at this car only from the front, but he has the trunk open too. Oh, for the doggy. That's awesome. Got the Corvette. With the... It's not the trunk. Oh, well, I guess it has a trunk too. I never knew this. Cool little Mustang. Check this guy out right here. What is this? Daimler SP250. Nice. The owner's right there, so I don't want to say it's too loud, but it reminds me of like a monster from Monsters Inc. These old cars, like that one right there too. It just has like a, I don't know, it has like a alien face. Check this out. That's crazy. Volkswagen Carman Gia. That looks cool. Oh, with the engine in the back. That's awesome. Look at this Mercedes though. That's awesome. Nice. It's a coupe, but it looks so comfortable and so much space in the back actually. Or is there leg room? Oh no, never mind. Dude, it's such a nice interior. The wheels. Did we see this one now? Yeah, we did. This is a funny looking one. 67 Saints. Nice little Volvo. Look at these lines on the car, so good. No way. Corvette. This is nice. I don't know, man. These guys just have so much money. They're like, yeah, I'll take my car. I feel like you can meet so many people here too. Dang, these colors are nice. Interior, nice and solid. Oh, check this out. Okay. Got this right here. Lotus. Sweet. Look at that. That's awesome. 7. Lucky number 7. I love this. What is this, like a fastback style? Super cool. What do you have here? A Jaguar? Oh no, Maserati. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, and there's another Lotus right behind this one. Sorry guys, I'm like going from place to place. I cannot decide. There's so much to cover here. Check that out over there. That's awesome. Look at this Mustang. It's a clean color right there. No, the back one was a Jaguar and the front one was a Maserati. There you go. Shelby. That's awesome. Cobra, my boy. That is awesome. Oh, let's check out these patches in the back.
What if you don't do
Down. That's real nice. Now we're talking. We got a S2K here. This is what I came to see. No, I'm just kidding. These are all really nice. Check this out, man. A little Jaguar popping out. Chevelle SS. Let's check out this Corvette over here. The Stingray. Man, the shine on this car is actually really good. You can barely tell what color it is. Little raccoon tail. Oh, dude, the high school varsity jacket. That is so fire. That is awesome. The Pontiac GT. There's a Firebird right here. Oh. Wild Bill tattoo. That is awesome. Now, where do we leave off over here? I think with this black one, because we saw the Chevelle. So now taking a look at the Mercury. That is so cool. Man, honestly, alright, I think I'm gonna... Damn, I think I figured out like a better way to show you guys these cars. But I'm already like all over the place. I figured I might as well just leave it like that. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, we got the right-hand drive. Got the cool wheels. Ready for a picnic. Then the Chevy, what is this? SSR? What? That is awesome with the Mickey Mouse. That is awesome. That is sick. Got the cop car. All right, now let's go back to this Miata and move up. Don't worry, guys. The more we do these, the better they're gonna get. Team Voodoo. Got the Miata. That's awesome. Got the Jaguar again. Look at this front though, man. And the color, bro. Blue, so nice. I love it, man. It's just like monochrome, you see? Like blue. So good. Got another Mustang. Look at that leather seating. Oh, we got a double trouble up in here. To protest and to swerve. Awesome. A nice Beamer. That is so nice. Mom chilling in the seat. Man, you gotta show these Mustangs some love, man. You guys heard Max Verstappen said that that's the closest he's like there's like a new Mustang called like GTD or something, and bro said that it's pretty close to a Porsche GT3. So I mean, I don't know if he's tripping, but I think those are like some huge good things to say about a Mustang out of anything, you know. When he said that, I was like, there's no way. And I gotta drive one now. Love this white and blue, man. GT 350. This is nice. Alright, so we got the music playing over here, but it's kind of bland. It's like not much going on. I mean, you do have these nice cars, but it's like no people turning up over here. Got the Mercedes in the middle though. Looking real nice. Man, guys, if you guys could smell this leather, it smells hella good. That's awesome. 220 SE. Man, they have SEs back in the day. I thought they only had like iPhone SEs nowadays, you know? Alright, check it out. I'm gonna show you guys how I would have done this video if I had a little bit more experience showcasing cars. So I'm gonna go through this lane right here. And pretty much I'm gonna do like 2 circles. At the Ford. That's awesome. BMW. More Triumph cars, man. I feel like these guys have the best front ends of the cars, you know? They just look, I don't know, they just have so much character. Got the Camaro. Real cool. Check this out. What is that? Facel? Paris. Nice. More Porsches. That's awesome. Nice. Got the little military vehicle. Mid-80s. Sweet. No need for AC, man. Man, it's not as packed here as I thought it was gonna be. The Porsche event was hella packed. Oh snap, look at this emblem. That's awesome. That's gotta be worth something. Walking downhill, trying to make the video as steady as I can. So it looks like we got here kind of late. This thing should be over like at 4. But it looks like people left a little early. Or it just didn't get as packed as it should have. Wow, look at this. Those curves are too nice.
From around here?
300 cars.
Yes, thank you for
But that's a
showing.
lot of judges for 300 bucks.
It's a nice old car.
Got the Corvette with the snacks in the front. Whoa, look at all that. That's awesome. Another Corvette, kind of same deal. Is it a Z06? 70 year anniversary, seems like. Oof. Is this an old school Bronco? This is sexy. It's nice. Put the doggy in the back. That's awesome. So check this out. How do you even design this, bro? That's my question. What goes on in your brain to just think of that? Whew. Dang, so this is a car you would see in Fast and Furious for sure. Nova SS, clean. Check that out right there. That's awesome. More Corvettes. Gotta love it, man. These guys improving the car. It's so cool how they're like, at first it was just like a regular sports car, muscle car, you know, but now you see these guys, you know, next to other exotic cars, and they completely changed the way that we look at Corvettes now, you know. Gotta love the McLaren, man. Look at that wing. Shoot, bro. Beautiful, beautiful car. Got a Mercury. You know, nothing's really calling me. We got the Ferrari though. Wow. Got the Thunderbird too, but before we go, let's just check out this. These emblems, man. You don't see that every day. Kind of focus there. Long Beach, nice. There's an event going on in Long Beach, kind of it's like a Japanese car event. Might go to that. Last time I went was for the Grand Prix. I know I keep saying that, but that was the last time I went, man. I want to go again. It was real cool. Rally Sport. That's awesome. Got the Mustang, you already know. The interior looking nice. Whoa, this thing looks like it's covered like with leather or something, but I think it's just a matte paint that makes it look like that. It's pretty cool. Damn. I think what I like the most of these cars, or like what's different, is that it has like a double badge. You got that one and that one. So you get two in one. Damn, bro. Oh my god, I almost ran into like that part of the car right there where the wheel is. That's awesome. Got the DeLorean behind this Mercedes right here. Let's go Back to the Future. This is nice. They should have these doors open, man, to be able to see inside. Just because the way they open is so cool, you know? DeLorean, look at that. I love that like simple, bulky font, you know? The red interior. Looking good. I want to say these cars are going to take off in a sec. Got the Jaguar. And like Thunderbird, or what is this one called? Yeah, right? Thunderbird. Yeah, Thunderbird right there. Cool little Camaro. You know what's kind of crazy I haven't seen is like a Transformers type of car. You know, like a Transformers, like Bumblebee, or I don't know, just any like character from Transformers, but like a car kind of customized for a Transformers character. That'd be pretty cool to see, man. It's a nice little Alfa Romeo. You don't see a lot of these cars, at least I don't. So it's kind of cool to see them. Another one. Kind of just get more ideas. Like, I don't know if you guys like art and stuff, but kind of, I don't know, gives you more ideas when you're, you know, being creative in whatever you do, whether it's photography, yeah, anything artistically, you know. It's pretty cool. Check out this one. Another Cobra. Sidestep? Nah. That's awesome. Yo, did someone break the shifter? That's crazy. That's pretty cool. This color's nice. I don't know what this is. Oh, Ford Mercury Bobcat. It's pretty cool. Has space in the back. Nah, who am I kidding, guys? That car. Oh, yeah. Try to stay positive. You know, always look at everything in a positive light. Oh, we got some Hot Wheels for sale here, guys. Let's check these out. What do we have? Okay, got some old school cars. We have a, what is that? A Porsche Carrera GT. That's cool. She came ready, man. That's awesome. That's cool, man. I respect the hustle. That's awesome. But does she have a permit? No, I'm kidding. Alright guys, let's check out the rest of these cars. We crossed the street. We already covered this right side and this other part of the event. Now we're gonna cover the rest of the cars and just end up doing a big donut. So yeah, let's check out these cars over here. Starting off strong, we got the nice Corvette with the big old exhaust on the side. It's pretty sick. We got this super Super clean car. Super 88 Oldsmobile, guys. What do you guys know about that, huh? That's really cool. The caddy, super clean. Man, those steering wheels though, it's pretty crazy.
Got about 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, before we end the bidding here for our wine baskets and classic posters.
Got some Corvettes. Let's check out these cars over here. We got a buggy that was behind the Corvette.
We appreciate you.
These are pretty cool. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty sweet of the guy, man. Moving on, got some other old school cars. And we got a Mustang, red interior. That's what I'm noticing a lot with a lot of these cars. They're just matching the outside color. Here we got another Cobra with the Goodyear tires. That's awesome. That's pretty sick, man. Then we have another one. Loving this colorway, color pattern. It's pretty sick. We got the SRT Charger and the Challenger Hellcat. This color, man, sticks out. Damn, look at that intake. Honestly, when I used to work at a tire shop, I drove one of those in, and man, it was crazy because, oh no, this is a Demon, SRT Demon. That's cool. But man, I drove one of these Challengers into the shop and it just felt like I was driving a tank. It was crazy. Check this out, D-Type Jaguar replica. But what do you guys know about this car, huh? Pretty spot on or what? Look at that right there, that's cool, man. Got another Porsche right here. Speedster. Is that what you call this guy? That's awesome.
Well, radiator's been upgraded.
We skipped over a Thunderbird, but we'll take a quick look at it. Oh, this one has the interior. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Coyote, it says it right there too. It's cool, man. These guys telling their stories. That's how it is at car meets too, man. You know, you got different guys telling you about their builds, how they got it the way it is, who helped them out along the way. That's the cool thing about the car community.
A lot of their signs.
Hey, we got the Lotus and the Mini Lotus. That's awesome. And the Mini Lotus right there. That's awesome. That's pretty fire. Oh, now we're talking. We got the Datsun right here, 280. You know, one of the newer ones. Or, I mean, it's old car, but you guys get what I'm saying. Jeepster. That's awesome. So you can tell here it's a little bit more cloudy than it was at the, I forgot what it was called, like WEC Fest? No, that's the San Jose one. It's called like Work something, where we saw the Porsches. It was brighter here, but I think because we're closer to the ocean or something, it probably got cloudier over here. Nice, look at that little trunk space. What can you even fit there, man?
I'm sure the starter's down here.
Okay, now you got the front. Cool little Fiat car.
Why is the filter an oil filter?
Austin Healey, that's what this is called. Got the Porsche behind me. I want to say we already took a look at this one. I know we did the Thunderbird. Alright guys, let's keep moving down here. Plymouth? Shoot at that. That's so cool, man. That's awesome. Gives me Hawaii vibes. I don't know what it is. Am I back to where I started? No. This car looks so familiar. Sorry, I'm seeing double of some of these cars. Got some guys in the way, but check it out again right now. We'll come back to it. Another Cobra. Pretty sick. I feel like these cars, I don't know. If you're a car collector, you kind of have to have one, right? So much history with those cars. This is cool. Look at that. Emblem right there. That's so cool. And then the updated one. That's cool. All right, now this is where I started back here. That's cool. She's saying that this is the original paint. Did you call that like the patina or something? Did we check out this car? We did, huh? Yeah, this car is fire right here. It's awesome. Ford GT. Classic. Now let's check out the ones on right here on my left side. We did not see all of them. I know we took a quick look at these right here in the beginning. Got a GTO, black interior with the little American flag. That's awesome. at that front though, man. So cool. Trans Am. With the Firebird in the front. That is so cool. Now look how low this one is. That's awesome. So clean, man. So clean, guys. Dang, who's ready for a vacation? Oh my God, look at the body up there. That's crazy. Shoo, got the wide open Blazer. Bro has to be in the garage all day. That's what's up. Got the Camaro. Frankenstein. Nice. 969. Got the Porsche. Love this. That's the trunk. Am I right? This is so cool. That's awesome, guys. And I want to say that's it for this. It's a pretty cool event. I'm gonna ask around and see if there was something else going on, but I think this was it. Just a little car show here on this street. What's it called? Lighthouse. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Watched it all the way to the end. Yeah, I like doing the little secret code words, you know, because in the last video a couple of you guys did comment. So alright guys, so I think that's gonna be it for the end of this video. I don't think there's anything else going on. These cars might have a rollout. I'll try to record that, but I do know that there's another event somewhere close to here, and I do want to you know, go to all those events as well. So yeah, might not stay for the rollout if they do have one, but anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. What's your favorite car? If you guys are here, what do you guys think of Car Week so far? This is Friday, so we got 2 more days, Saturday and Sunday. Let me know what was your guys' favorite event, stuff like that. If you guys did come out here or planning to, or will come out, something, I don't know, get lit in the chat or in the comment section. But yeah, let's do the code word, my bad. Let's do we saw a lot of Cobras today, so let's comment Cobra and let's see who the real ones are. Yeah, nah, that sounds kind of mean. Nah, I love everyone, man. Just comment Cobra, you know, little late, or I don't know, full watchers. Comment Cobra, bro. I appreciate you guys. That's gonna be it, team. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.